Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by logging into your Irctc account and going straight to the e-wallet section. Once logged in, make sure your account is KYC complete and 2FA is active. Next, choose the Load Money option and type the exact amount you need. Remember daily or per transaction limits. Then pick a payment method from UPI, net banking, or card. This first step is about entering accurate details so the gateway can authenticate quickly and avoid preventable failures. Once you submit amount and method, the flow moves to payment authentication, so be ready to approve UPI collect or enter OTP for card/net banking. Pay attention to the merchant and amount on the bank screen before approving. Mismatches cause reversals. After you authorize, wait for the gateway response and capture the transaction reference and time. If the UI shows pending, don't immediately retry. Allow 3 to 5 minutes for settlement. Then refresh your e-wallet balance to verify the credit. When the payment completes, confirm the new e-wallet balance and open the transaction history to verify the exact credited amount. Save the receipt and reference ID. If the balance didn't update within 5 minutes, check your bank statement for a debit. Sometimes banks show a pending hold that returns automatically. If you see a failed or pending error, record the error code and timestamp. Then contact Irctc support with the TXN ID. This is the single most useful troubleshooting step to resolve stuck loads quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.